Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here. I hope you guys are doing very well today. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. Today's a very special unboxing today. I'm going to be showing you guys a new unboxing here from SeaTac models. It's the first time I'll be featuring SeaTac models on my channel. They were actually kind enough to send this over to me to do a review on. So thank you very much, SeaTac models. I'm very excited to see your work in person. I also do have ordered the end gates at Seattle International Airport featuring Alaska Airlines, so I'm very excited to showcase those, or that terminal, so that'll be on the way here within about a week. So stay tuned for that, guys. But no further ado, let's go ahead and... All right, here's everything together here. Let's get a nice close look here at the terminal. Lots of details, as you can see. Every little part was thought through. The windows are even a nice light blue color. Just obviously like in real life. And you can put this on any airport, any fantasy airport or regional airport you'd like to do. This would fit nice, obviously, for like a rural airport in the mountains or, wherever you want to have an airport. I'm definitely going to start to do more fictional airports as well. So stay tuned for that. I'm actually going to put with my Jetset models, GSC with the regional as well, guys. So stay tuned for that. And Tiny Tugs. And of course, if you want it more like, the image, of course, on their website, you can see I have 4 gates going here. So you can fit, quite a bit of room actually around this thing. You could even fit a 5th gate if you wanted to as well. And then I'm going to actually turn this around and show you guys a couple more details that come with this as well. As you guys can see, every little part of this was thought through thoroughly. You have a little hole here that you match this up with, and this will hold it right on here for the awning. Let me try and do this on my left hand here. All right, stand by, guys. As you can see, it's super convenient though. 1 second, guys. All right, now, next up we have the awnings for the arrival and drop-off area. As you guys can see here, the longer part in the middle here. All right, let's try this again. So here we go. Here's the arrivals and departures area here. You just simply slide this into this hole, and voila. So all 3 are connected via that little hole. Obviously, if they are, hit, they will probably break, but just very delicate here. This might be like the perfect little regional terminal. Look at that. Super nice. And here it is all together here. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Just take it all in. Mighty little regional terminal, I'll tell you that though. Like I said, every little detail was thought through here. The jet bridges are amazing. And of course you have a mighty arrival and drop-off area too. So you honestly cannot go wrong with that. All right, guys, here is the terminal with aircraft attached. Obviously you can fit some mid-sized aircraft as well. It looks pretty good. I think I'm going to get into more showcasing this, maybe with like a small layout on it too, so that way you can see it. Coming in with more detail here. You can see the jet bridges are highly adjustable, which I really like. Super nice. Looks so realistic with the lights too. I really like that you didn't have to glue the lights in. Obviously, I have no problem gluing lights in, but it just adds, it's a lot less time to put this together, making it more enjoyable for the user to set up. So, and a lot quicker. And obviously here's the arrival drop-off. I'll put some cars and stuff going through there too. I think I'm going to make a cool little regional airport. It's easier to put smaller airports up too, I think, for me, just because it's easier to showcase them to you guys as well, versus like doing like a larger airport, which is super cool, but it stresses me out sometimes when it's all the way down, and it's just a lot, It's easier to show you guys more details on a smaller airport and a smaller scale. So there we have it, guys. Shout out to SeaTac Models for sending me this. Link below to their product here. I don't earn any commission by you guys purchasing this. This is strictly just for SeaTac models. But again, I did get sent this to review, and I do get to keep it. So thank you again, SeaTac models. Honestly, guys, their products are really amazing and durable. If you want a realistic model airport setup, pretty good value. I think these run about 50 bucks or so. So definitely a really good value if you want a nice regional airport to display your aircraft. And here's a nice view of the side. Here's little stairs that they added in. And looking at this from a perspective here as if you were on the ground. What a nice airport terminal, like I've said. Can't wait to see what SeaTac Models has to come for the future. I may commit to a full Seattle airport from SeaTac Models, guys. So stay tuned for that. Big news on the way. Until next time, guys, Model Airport Nation here, and we'll see you guys in the next video here. I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting. Also Instagram, TikTok, Model Airport Nation, guys. And stay tuned for more content coming along the way from SeaTac Models as well. With the Seattle end gates coming, that's going to be amazing, guys. And we'll see you guys soon. Link below for SeaTac Models, guys. Until next time, happy collecting.